How to delete all comments at once on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to delete all comments at once on Instagram. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Instagram application on your mobile phone, and this is where you will get. So I'll show you how to simply delete all comments at once. So for that, you actually have to just open up any post. So what I'll do is I will just go to my profile right here, and let me open up one of the posts where I have some comments. So you can see I have 3 comments right here, and I want to delete them at once. How to do that? Simply open up the post, the comments, and this is where you will get. If you want to hide the comments, then click on these 3 dots and you can see hide more comments, manage custom word list, allow comments from, change privacy settings, and turn off commenting. So if you turn off the commenting, then no one will be able to comment, and you can just get rid of all the comments that you got. Or you can hide comments that, like, more comments. For example, if you already have 10 comments, then there will be no more comments on your post. So these are the ways to do it. If you want to delete a specific comment, then you can just click on it and then select and delete. Similarly, I can just delete all of these comments. This is the way to delete all the comments at once on Instagram. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.